Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with an update on what to expect weather-wise as we go through the weekend and next week. It does look like more severe weather will be possible here in the next few days. The main thing for today is going to be the heat. You can see heat index values right now in that 100 to 104 range. We do have a heat advisory which is in effect for much of the Arklatex, especially in the southern half of the area, and an excessive heat warning further to the south over the southern sections of the Arklatex. This is very important given the expanse of the power outages across the area. Be sure to check on your neighbors, especially your senior neighbors, to make sure they're doing okay in this heat and they have a means to cool down. It looks like this actually could repeat itself once again tomorrow, with temperatures with some sunshine during the day warming into the 90s. Heat index values once again could approach 105. We'll get word on whether or not a heat advisory is issued for tomorrow, but as of right now I would expect that it will be. Now moving forward, we are going to be looking at the possibility for a few more scattered thunderstorms. Here's the outlook from the Storm Prediction Center for this evening. There's a small chance we could see a few pop-up thunderstorms. You can see that marginal severe weather risk that does include basically the southeast or southwestern 3/4 of the area, a little bit higher risk over the northeast according to SPC. Tomorrow evening is when we will see our next round of more widespread severe weather. You can see the enhanced risk over the north and northwest, slight risk down to the I-20 corridor, and we are going to be looking at the possibility for another round of very strong wind with gusts in excess of 70 miles per hour once again tomorrow, perhaps across the heart of the Arklatex, very similar to what we experienced last night. As far as Sunday, there's going to be a chance for some leftover thunderstorms, but the risk is looking a bit lower as the rain should be more isolated for Sunday. As far as the storms, let's give you a look at Robbins Toyota Futurecast, and you can see what it is indicating here for this evening, the scattered thunderstorms over the southern sections of the Arklatex. And then you can see quiet for tonight once those storms depart, as we'll see a partly to mostly cloudy sky. Tomorrow, mix of clouds and sunshine during the morning as well as during the afternoon. And heading through the evening, you can see this cluster of thunderstorms which is going to move through the area. Futurecast shows the storms basically moving across East Texas and Northwest Louisiana. The HR model has the storms moving from the northwest to the south and east. So somewhere in the area, pretty much area-wide, we will see that severe weather risk. SPC kind of pointing more towards the northern sections of the area, but all of us should be prepared for the possibility for some more strong storms with those gusts that, again, could exceed 70 miles per hour for tomorrow. And then or tomorrow evening, I should say. Then going through tomorrow night, again, a few scattered showers across the area during the morning Sunday. And Futurecast indicating relatively dry conditions for Sunday, as most high-res models are indicating, with that mix of clouds and sunshine. So it looks like the biggest round of severe weather this weekend will be Saturday evening. And as far as rainfall potential, just to show you the numbers here from Futurecast, it does look like we could be looking at, in spots, you can see the 1 to 2 inches here with Futurecast. The HRRR also has 1 to 3 inches in the area where those strongest storms will be moving through the region. Really depends on where they form, so it's kind of difficult to pinpoint exactly where these storms will go. Just be aware that, especially in the middle part of the Arklatex, again, where we are still dealing with the power outages, another round of severe weather possible for tomorrow evening. And then we'll see the continuation of this weather pattern moving through next week, as we will see the on and off again chances for these showers and thunderstorms. So your forecast looks like this for tonight. We will see a partly to mostly cloudy sky across the area. Again, a thunderstorm will be possible mainly over the southern half of the area this evening. Again, a small chance that 1 or 2 of those storms could be strong. We'll see lows in the low to middle 70s across the area. 76 degrees for the low temperature in Shreveport, 71 degrees in Texarkana. Looking ahead to tomorrow, expect a mix of clouds and sunshine during the day, but during the evening, a round of severe weather is going to be a good possibility. Again, 20% as far as the rainfall chances during the day. That goes up to more likely in the evening, as we'll see a high ahead of those storms in the low to middle 90s. Heat index values once again pushing 105 across the area. And your 10-day forecast shows that we will see that lingering chance of rain, maybe a few thunderstorms Sunday morning, looking dry for Monday, on and off rainfall chances pretty much all of next week. with daytime highs mainly in the low to middle 90s, lows in the low to middle 70s. And each one of those days, especially Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, severe weather definitely will be on the table. We'll know more as we get closer to those days as far as the extent of any severe weather threat. So again, get ready for the chance of severe weather for Saturday evening, as temperatures too will be another issue with heat index values for the next couple of days likely pushing 105 degrees.